Actually, it's a medley of 2 songs, compositions that were choreographed between 70 to over 100 years ago. And I am a keeper of old mele. So these are songs that have been passed down from Kumu to Kumu. And the reason why I chose it, because it's relevant to what this celebration is all about Prince Waiva Kamehameha V, the last of the direct line of Kamehameha the Great. The first mele I've chosen is Aloha Ia Kīlauea, which talks about this steamship that became the property of Prince Waiva when he began to reign in 1863. And this steamship would traverse through the shores of our island chain to take provisions, mainly passengers. And livestock, everything was on this steamship. So you can imagine the aroma. Anyway, it would go from island to island. And this particular man talks about his love for this steamship because it was what it was able to do. And it's going from Maui, then on to Molokai. And it talks about it passing Maui, and the faces of Maui turns and says, wow, you know, when you're on a ship and all of a sudden it's no longer there. And then he says, bring some more coal. We got to get on our way to Molokai. Another thing about this is that he would travel maybe once a month on the steamship because he had his ranch in Molokai. And also, of course, the people in Kalaupapa. Now, this particular mele that is over 100 years old, it's Kamehameha. This was his first major victory where he and his Kipu'upu'u warriors slew over 4,000 men, the Battle of Moku, Oʻahu. I liken this mele to that because it was a victorious battle. He was about 16 years old. How amazing is that? So they're weary, they're blood-laden, they're covered with blood. They're on their journey to the Kohala coast, going home. And they say, Hu'umoeava, because they finally see their home in the near distance. They shout for joy. So the Kohala coast, and it describes in this song about the i'iwi bird sipping the lehua blossom. And the coastline, you hear the lapping surf. You see the rainbow hued with the mist that covers that area, the lush vegetation, so the beauty that surrounds us. And so it inspires us to perform and tell our stories about such things in our lives. So we're very special and blessed because our culture has this wonderful gift to be able to share it in the way of hula.